What does success look like to you? Is it a specific amount of money in the bank, a dream job, or perhaps a certain lifestyle? Whatever it is, we all have our unique versions of success. Success is a fascinating concept, as diverse and unique as the individuals who pursue it. For some, it's a mansion in a posh neighborhood, a luxury vehicle, or a high-ranking job title. For others, success could mean having the freedom to travel the world, the ability to help others on a large scale, or simply the peace of mind that comes with financial stability. But let's dig deeper. Imagine a world-renowned artist, revered by critics and fans alike. This artist may have achieved what many would deem as success. But what if they feel unfulfilled, constantly striving for a level of perfection they can't seem to reach? Does their success still hold its value? Or consider a humble teacher in a small town, shaping young minds, inspiring them to dream big and chase those dreams? The teacher may not have a substantial bank account or a fancy title, but they have the satisfaction of knowing they're making a difference in the world, one student at a time. Isn't that a form of success too? Success, my friends, is not a one-size-fits-all concept. It's a fluid, ever-changing state that varies from person to person. It's not just about monetary achievements or social status. It's also about personal growth, satisfaction, and the fulfillment of your potential. Success is about setting meaningful goals for yourself and having the courage to pursue them relentlessly. It's about pushing boundaries, overcoming obstacles, and learning from failures. It's about celebrating victories, no matter how small, and appreciating the journey, not just the destination. And that's the beauty of success. It's not a fixed point on a map that you can reach and then claim to be successful. It's a journey, an ongoing process that requires constant effort, growth, and reinvention. Success is not a destination, it's a journey. Our first law is the law of vision. This law taps into the power of foresight. It is about having a clear and vivid image of what you want to achieve. It's like a beacon guiding you through the fog of uncertainty and doubt. Imagine walking through a dense forest without a compass or a map. You would be lost, right? The same principle applies in the pursuit of success. Without a clear vision, you would be wandering aimlessly. Now, how do we cultivate this vision? It begins with setting goals. Goals give you a sense of direction. They are the stepping stones that lead you towards your ultimate vision. Set goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These are what we call SMART goals. They add clarity and focus to your vision, making it easier for you to navigate your path to success. Remember, your vision sets the direction for your journey to success. Moving on to the second law, the law of mindset. This law teaches us that our mindset is a powerful force that shapes our reality. It's not just about thinking positive thoughts, it's about having a growth-oriented mindset. A mindset that embraces challenges, that sees failure not as evidence of unintelligence, but as a heartening springboard for growth and for stretching our existing abilities. A mindset is more than just a thought process. It's the lens through which we view the world. It can either limit our potential or propel us towards success. A fixed mindset will keep you rooted in place, while a growth mindset will open up a world of possibilities. It's important to remember that mindset is not something you're born with, it's something you cultivate, it's a habit, and it's a choice that can lead you to extraordinary places. Your mindset is your most powerful tool. Use it wisely. Now let's delve into the third law, the law of action. This law is the driving force behind your dreams. Picture your aspirations as a car. Your vision is the destination, your mindset is the fuel, but without action, your car is simply a stationary object going nowhere. Action is the ignition key that drives your dreams forward, turning them into tangible reality. Without action, your visions and dreams remain just that, dreams. They float in the realm of imagination, never crossing the bridge to reality. Taking action, no matter how small, is the first step in manifesting your dreams, in making them part of your physical world. You might have the grandest vision and the most positive mindset, but without action, they are meaningless. Don't let your dreams wither in the realm of what if. Propel them into the world of what is with the force of action. Remember, action is the bridge between your dreams and reality. Let's move on to the fourth law, the law of goal setting. Goals are like the GPS coordinates you punch into your car's navigation system. They are the exact address of your dreams. Setting goals is the process of deciding what you want to accomplish and devising a plan to achieve the results you desire. Without goals, it's like driving around aimlessly. You might see some nice scenery, but you'll never reach your destination. Goals give you a long-term vision and short-term motivation. They help focus your acquisition of knowledge and help you to organize your resources. By setting sharp, clearly defined goals, you can measure and take pride in the achievement of those goals. You can see forward progress in what might previously have seemed a long, pointless grind. Goals are the roadmaps that guide you to your destination. Cultivate the habit of setting clearly defined and measurable goals. Because remember, a dream without a goal is just a wish. Let's dive into the fifth law, the law of persistence. Persistence is that unyielding quality that allows you to keep pushing forward, to keep striving even when the path is steep and littered with obstacles. It's the grit in your gut that says, I won't be stopped, I won't be denied, I will keep going. Persistence is the key to overcoming any obstacle or challenge that stands between you and your goals. It's not about never experiencing setbacks or failures, we all do. It's about not letting those setbacks and failures define you or derail you. It's about staying on your path, no matter how winding or rocky it may become. It's about understanding that success is not a sprint, but a marathon. It's about realizing that every no brings you one step closer to a yes. It's about knowing that every failure is just another stepping stone on the path to success. So remember, persistence is not just an action, but a state of mind. It's the fire that fuels your journey to success, because remember, the path to success is lined with persistence. We now arrive at the sixth law, the law of hard work. Success doesn't come easy. It's the fruit of consistent, dedicated hard work. It's the sweat on your brow, the ache in your muscles, and the tiredness you shake off each morning to keep going. It's about pushing beyond your comfort zone, about embracing the grind, and about being willing to pay the price for your dreams. Remember, nothing worth having comes easy. You can accomplish anything if you're willing to put in the effort, the time, and yes, the hard work. It's about applying your mindset, your vision, your action, your goals, and your persistence, all wrapped up in the package of hard work. So, roll up your sleeves and dig in, because hard work is the magic ingredient that turns dreams into reality. It's the key that unlocks the door to success. So remember, success is no accident. It's hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice, and most of all, love of what you are doing or learning to do. Keep this in mind as we continue on our journey to success, the law of self-discipline. This law is about mastering your own self, your impulses, your desires, your weaknesses. It's about taking control of your actions, your decisions, your life. Just as an orchestra needs a conductor to synchronize and harmonize, you need self-discipline to align your thoughts, your actions, your habits with your goals. It's the driving force that keeps you going, that keeps you focused, even when the going gets tough. It's the inner strength that helps you resist temptations, distractions, and procrastinations. It's the key that unlocks the door to consistency, the cornerstone of all great achievements. Self-discipline is not about living a restrictive, boring life. It's about choosing long-term gratification over short-term pleasure. It's about doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like doing it. It's about being in charge, about being the architect of your destiny. Remember, the path to success is paved with acts of self-discipline, not luck or talent. The law of self-discipline is the magic power that makes you virtually unstoppable. So embrace this law, strengthen your self-discipline, and watch as your dreams turn into reality. Having journeyed through the realms of self-discipline, we now arrive at the eighth law, the law of positive thinking. This law isn't about ignoring life's troubles. It's about approaching adversity in a more positive and productive way. It's the belief that even in the face of difficulty, there are always better days on the horizon. Positive thinking is a powerful tool that can help you navigate through storms, withstand life's pressures, and reach new heights. It's the spark that ignites resilience, the force that fuels your desire to achieve and excel. It's the lens through which you see the world, where obstacles become opportunities, problems become possibilities. Positive thinking is the bedrock of optimism, the driving force behind every success story. It's the mindset that tells you you can, when the world tells you you can't. It's the inner voice that encourages you, cheers for you, believes in you, even when you don't believe in yourself. It's the magic that turns the impossible into possible, the dreams into reality, the ordinary into extraordinary. So harness the power of positive thinking. Let it guide your thoughts, your actions, your life. Remember, positive thinking isn't about expecting the best to happen every time, but accepting that whatever happens is the best for this moment. The law of positive thinking is the beacon of light that illuminates your path to success. So embrace this law, cultivate a positive mindset, and watch as your life transforms before your eyes. Stepping forward from the realm of positive thinking, we arrive at our next law, the law of focus. This law is about channeling your energy, your thoughts, your resources, and your time towards a specific task or goal. It's about eliminating distractions and staying committed to your journey, no matter how challenging it may seem. Focus is the lens that sharpens your vision, the compass that guides you to your destination. It's the silent force that propels you forward, the secret weapon that sets you apart. It's the key to efficiency, the cornerstone of productivity. Without focus, even the simplest tasks can seem overwhelming. With focus, even the most daunting challenges can be overcome. It's about not just doing things right, but doing the right things. It's about prioritizing, strategizing, optimizing. It's about understanding that success isn't about doing 1,000 things, but about doing one thing 1,000 times. It's about mastering the art of concentration, the science of dedication. It's about realizing that the key to success isn't in the multitude of tasks, but in the depth of focus. So harness the power of focus. Let it guide your actions, your decisions, your life. Remember, where focus goes, energy flows. The law of focus is the roadmap to success. So embrace this law, cultivate a focused mindset, and watch as your dreams unfold before your eyes. As we move forward from the power of focus, we arrive at our next destination, the 10th law, the law of gratitude. This is the quality of being thankful, the readiness to show appreciation and return kindness. It's the silent song of the heart, the gentle whisper of the soul. It's the spark that ignites joy, the breeze that soothes the spirit. Gratitude is a powerful process for shifting your energy and bringing more of what you want into your life. It's the key to abundance, the secret to happiness. It's about appreciating what you have while striving for what you want. It's about recognizing the value of every moment, the beauty of every experience. It's about understanding that every challenge is an opportunity, every setback a setup for a comeback. Gratitude is an important aspect of success, a vital ingredient in the recipe of achievement. It's about realizing that success isn't just about reaching your goals, but about appreciating the journey. It's about understanding that the true measure of success isn't in the accumulation of wealth, but in the richness of character. So embrace the law of gratitude. Let it fill your heart, brighten your spirit, and guide your journey. Remember, gratitude makes sense of our past, brings peace for today, and creates a vision for tomorrow. The law of gratitude is not just a law, it's a way of life. So cultivate an attitude of gratitude and watch as your life transforms before your eyes. As we conclude this journey, remember that these laws are not just for those seeking financial success or professional achievement, but for anyone who wishes to live a fulfilling and meaningful life. They are universal laws, applicable in every field, in every situation, for every individual. And so we've come to the end of our journey, but remember, the journey of success is never ending. It's a path we must tread every day, a path lit by these laws. So embrace these laws, let them guide you, let them inspire you, let them transform you. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. And every step you take, every move you make brings you one step closer to your dreams. So keep moving, keep striving, keep growing, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself, because you, my friends, are capable of extraordinary things. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. By helping our channel, someone will support you too in your life. I will see you in the next video.